Hey, here we are now. Hello, everyone. Greetings from TaiyangNews. My name is Michael Schmäler. Happy to have you with us for fourth and final day of our flagship event, our high efficiency solar technologies event today, tomorrow, and beyond. Today will be the day where we look at today, tomorrow, and especially also beyond. As today the focus is on XBC, back contact, and next generation technologies. We first would like to say a big thank you again to our sponsors who make this event possible. I don't want to talk actually too much. We have quite some interesting speakers. I think maybe just two things that are important. We just heard about the new world record for solar cells that was just announced by one speaker that we have today. LONGi and GCL also announced recently some expansion in perovskite cell module manufacturing, quite extensive, impressive, as it is really in the gigawatt scale. So I think things are moving. So that means tomorrow is sooner than we think, and it's really about high efficiency. Here also things are moving quickly. If we looked at what we learned over the last 3 conference days, companies are all quickly improving their efficiencies for their product portfolio, whatever technology they are working on. So let's have a quick overview on what we expect today. So I'm very happy to have with us first a keynote from someone who recently turned researcher into a corporate employee, Gianluca Coletti, a longtime researcher with ECN, TNO, active in the silicon fields, also looking into tandems, and who just moved to Futurasun, where he became the CTO. He will talk in his keynote about innovations in next generation photovoltaic. So I'm very happy that we could win him for this presentation. I'm also happy to have with us in the next presentation, there will be Eiko, which will talk about high efficiencies. We will have LONGi speaking. We will have ISC Constance talking with Radovan Kopeček about copper screen printed bifacial utility scale. We will have with von Ardenne, a company that's instrumental in PVD technology that can be also used for various technologies. And here the focus is today on back contact and tandems. And we will also have then GCL speaking with their involvement in perovskites. And then in the last part, like with the earlier conferences, we will focus on manufacturing or production equipment and materials. Metallization is a key part, so it's also great to have Solarmate talk about next generation perovskite tandem cells. And we're also happy to have with us an Israeli company, Coprint, talk about copper paste, simply because silver in metallization is still a huge cost factor for solar cell production. And finally, we will have Lead Micro talk about their progress in how they develop production equipment for perovskite cells, which will be obviously key in getting this technology off the ground and really into mass production. We will finalize with the panel where we discussed what the pathways are from the transition from pure silicon and tandems. And here we will have lead micro and GCL, and we will also have Gianluca participating, who spontaneously could make some space. It's not on the speaker card, but we will have 3 speakers. So we're very much looking forward to the next presentations and the panel. And I give the floor now to Shravan, who will, as our head of technology, moderate the event, and he will also be the moderator of the panel, while I will then finally conclude what we've learned over the 4 days. Thanks a lot, and